Hey Primary 3 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into the question number 8 of your assessment paper number 14. Now let's take a look at this question. This question says Mark and Spencer. You've heard of Mark and Spencer, right? That little shop, that green color one where they sell oh my god, the awesome chocolates. Now Mark and Spencer, so there's two people. Mark and Spencer had $246 and $150 respectively. Now what does this word respectively means? Okay, this is what it means. Let me just explain it to you so that you understand. So there's Mark and there's Spencer, and then what did they say? They said they had $246 and $150 respectively. Correct? Is that what they said? Yes. Okay. And the word here is, oops, what happened? The word here is respectively. Okay. The word respectively means, take a look at the first word, respect. Okay. It means it is in the same respect. In other words, Mark, the first word is Mark, and the first number is 246. So this belongs to this respectively, and this belongs second name. It belongs to the second number. So therefore, Mark has 246 and Spencer had 150. Now you know what it means, right? Now the next part, it says how much money must Mark give to Spencer so that both of them would have the same amount of money. So how much money must Mark give to Spencer in order for them to have the same amount of money? Now, in order for you to see this, I need to make sure I draw a model for you. Okay, so models are your friends. There's Mark and Spencer. Okay, I'm going to draw Mark here. Oops, and Spencer. So this is 246 as we've learned just now. Am I right? 246, and this was 150. Okay, the question is, okay, how much money must Mark give to Spencer? So the difference is this much. Okay, first of all, let's find out what is the difference. Okay, actually no need lah. Let's just see. In other words, I want to make sure that when Mark, let's say, gives a certain amount, in this case maybe, let's just try to make this is half. Okay. And let's say this half goes over to this side, to Spencer. Okay, and then what happens is that they're going to have the same amount. So if you draw a line here, you would see that it's the same amount. So that's what the question is asking you about. But how do we know what is that amount? We don't know what it is. Okay, so but what we can do is, let's imagine for a while that Mark and Spencer put their money together. And then they divide it by 2, so that they both will have the same amount. So the first thing we must do is we must plus together. 246 plus 150 will give you $396. Okay. Now the next part is you need to divide it by 2 so that we know how much money they both will have if we were to make it equal. So 396 divided by 2 will give you $198. Okay. So in other words, they must have $198. So how much money must Mark give to Spencer? Now he has 246, but in actually he's supposed to have only 198 if you want to make it equal. So up to here. So what you do, we must just take 246 minus 198, and what you will get is $48. So if you remove $48, which is this thing, you should add to here. So 150 plus 48 will still give me 198. So we are correct. So the answer here is $48. And if you got that one right, high five to you, because you are a math prodigy. Good job. And that brings me to the quote of the week. And the quote of the week is, do more than is required and you will get what is desired. Don't worry about it. Okay? Most of you are worrying about, oh no, I'm so scared of my maths results or whatever it is. Now, my promise to you is, if you do more than is required, if you go the extra mile, even though you think you're not that smart. Now, I believe everyone is smart. But if you think that you're not smart, trust me, you got to work harder. Okay, there are some people out there who are much more naturally talented, naturally smarter. But here's one thing that I've learned in life. I've learned that if I work harder, I would definitely be as good or even better than those who are naturally talented or naturally gifted, or naturally smart. So do more than is required. That is my philosophy in life. Do more than is required and you will get what is desired. With that, this is Coach Saiful signing off, saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.